Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. As you see here, I have some prints whose color caught my eye, but very interesting. They may not seem to blend as well, although they may have a consistent color running through them. But I want to see what can be done with them. And these two are done on handshi rice paper. It's a very thin rice paper. It's thinner than the other one that I normally use. And it can't stay too much on the plate absorbing paint because it tears easily. But I like it because it's thin and it picks up a nice print. This is just newsprint paper. Actually, this was a cleanup sheet from something I was doing, I think, with my index cards. And this is on Paycon Artist First printing paper. So it's 3 different types of papers, and I'll see what I can come up with. And I also have been collecting these, which with my index cards, I put them on jump rings. So whatever is collected in the hole puncher that I use, when I empty the hole puncher, I get these nice colorful circles. So I've been collecting them, dumping them in this Ziploc bag, and maybe I can add some of this for interest, see what we can come up with. So this is what I decided to go with, and I decided to cut the paper around. I didn't like the paper being in the long rectangle that I had it in. I wanted a different shape. So I'm going to glue these pieces down and see what other things we can do to bring this design out. So this is an interesting piece. I just set it on a black background so that you could see it better. And I chose to cut around the paper. I didn't like it on the, traditionally leaving it on a square or a long rectangle paper. So I cut it around the paper and sort of trim the edges a little bit in black. So this is just an exploration. I added those hole punch holes onto it. And so the fun thing is to not be afraid to explore, going with ideas that pop in your head, as opposed to trying to make something go in a certain direction. Part of creating is just simply letting things happen. So I cut out the pieces and let it happen. Whatever I felt like doing, I did. I didn't think about whether it would work or not, whether I would like the colors or not. I just did it. And sometimes there's a learning process that occurs when we let our minds go and we follow ideas that we have without stopping ourselves. So here you have it. I wouldn't know what you would call this piece. Definitely abstract. And yeah. Thanks for joining me today. Be creative. Be open to all the possibilities. Let your mind go. Not every piece we do we will like or feel a particular connection to, but it's all a part of creating, exploring, and just being free to do art. Keep doing art. Till next time.